Hey guys, Steven here, welcome back to another video. So the cryptocurrency craze over the past year saw the prices of crypto tokens rise to tens of thousands of their original value, and Bitcoin wasn't the only token to reach its all-time high. Then earlier this year, the whole crypto market crashed, and right now most of the coins, they're just stagnating around a certain value, the market appears really dead and there is no real growth anymore. That also means a hard time for ICOs who want to collect money with cryptos. And a few weeks ago, another ICO did run away with $660 million in ICO earnings. And that really kills the trust into ICOs. So in today's video, we'll talk about the possible future of cryptos, tokens and ICOs, and also interview Philipp Peinsold, CTO of one of the most successful ICOs in my home country, Austria. So let's go.
At the time of this video being released, the total cryptocurrency market capitalization stands at just over 330 billion USD. The silver lining is that for most early investors, losses have remained theoretical, as prices are still far higher than before the run-up last year. To forecast where the cryptocurrency market is going, it's necessary to look at where the market has been, but also how it arrived there. While the causes of the meteoric rise in cryptocurrency prices late last year are debatable, a consensus has formed around two factors: media hype and futures trading. My video about the truth about Bitcoin almost reached 1 million views in no time, so I felt the heat of the hype on my own channel, but right now it's dead. As the price of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies began to rise, major media outlets started to take notice and promote Bitcoin even more. As a result, the interest in Bitcoin and others started to rise. Also, the average non-tech guys figured out what cryptocurrencies were and how they could buy in and make money. Those investors, many of whom had only a slight understanding of the technology they had placed their bets on, fueled the hype and the price. While I think cryptocurrency is here to stay and will grow on the long term, there are also other projects which can be successful in the future. These are called ICOs, initial coin offerings. Now, investing in any ICO can be risky, so it's really important to look at the projects that are proactively working to avoid scammers. Of course, some, if not the majority, of even the most promising projects have the potential to fail. If you plan to hodl your ICO investment, you should always assess the project's long-term strategy. One of the most legit and also quite interesting ICOs I've seen is Herocoin, a token for decentralizing the gaming industry, which is shortly before going online with the first use case, Herosphere.gg. Herosphere.gg is a platform that allows you to predict events that happen in esports games. Your predictions compete against your friends or community predictions, and the better you are, the more points you get. So more points mean that you win more money if you're using the Herocoin, or prizes if you don't want to play for real money. Now, it's quite interesting since esport betting is already a huge thing in China, and I think it will also be a huge thing in Europe in the next years. Now, that's why I've interviewed Philipp Peinsold, CTO of Herosphere, and asked him about his opinion and what Herocoin is all about.
Yes, totally. I believe in cryptocurrencies, and I believe that we are at the beginning of major changes and a lot of innovation in different industries. As a technical person, I'm also very excited about the background technology of blockchain itself, and the cryptocurrencies are bringing a lot of the needed attention to the blockchain technology now. And I think there's a lot of potential to disrupt different industries in the near future, and we will be a part of it. Well, since the beginning of our journey of our company, we had one vision, and we're still focusing on this vision. It is bringing back the social character into the betting industry. Because back in the old days, a bet was just a handshake between gentlemen. And in the online gambling world, this social character is completely lost. You bet against a bookmaker with his odds, and if you lose, all your money goes to the house, to the bank, to the bookmaker. In contrast, we're building a platform for our community. So users play against other users, play against colleagues, friends, and real people, and not bookmakers, and you cannot find odds on our platform. So everything comes from the community, and every pool distributes to the community again. We started with providing bets on different sports like tennis, like Formula One, soccer, and so on. But in the end, we needed focus. And because of the passion within our own team, we focused on esports and esports gaming, esports gambling. And then we also using state-of-the-art technology, and this is where the blockchain technology and all its advantages come into. Okay, a first big difference to a lot of other ICOs is that we already had a working product before we even decided to do an ICO. Which means we already proved that we can build and grow an idea to a working product or to a working business. Second thing is that we put a lot of effort in being one of the first legally compliant ICOs, at least in Europe, but I think worldwide. Which means we have a solid basis of a legal framework for our ICO and our coin. Regarding the coin, the token itself, there is a very cool feature which is called Rakeback, which means from every pot which is played in contests, at least 1% is taken away and distributed again to every token holder, which means you do not even need to play with the Herocoin to increase your wallet, your account balance. And this works also for third parties. When third parties use the Herocoin in their products, even then this Rakeback model works, and even then you get this 1% back to the community. Yes, trading of cryptocurrencies is becoming very popular, or through the last months became very popular, and a lot of people made a lot of money. But with the least down of all the cryptocurrencies, I think a lot of people also lost money. So what is important here? It is important to make your due diligence. And I think we can provide everything in our coin, our token, in our ICO, that every light goes on green when you want to invest into a coin, because we have a great team with great knowledge. We have a working product, not only a white paper out there. We provide updates every week, I guess, where we fulfill our promises from the roadmap. And we have a valid blockchain use case. So this is a big difference to other coins, and you should look into this due diligence process if you consider to invest into coins. Where you can buy play tokens, hero coins. Currently, I would suggest you to buy it on KuCoin. It is available on KuCoin. And if you want to be part of the hero community, then go to KuCoin now, get you some coins, and in the near future you can try out our blockchain platform when we launch the Herocoin on Herosphere.
In 2014, Tim Draper predicted that Bitcoin would be worth $10,000 in 3 years. Now sure enough, Bitcoin did hit the $10,000 mark last year, and last month Tim Draper made a prediction that Bitcoin will hit $250,000 by the year 2022. So all that could be just lucky guessing and like playing poker in the casino, but I think that cryptocurrency is here to stay. I've seen so many farms this year, and it is incredible how much money and people stand behind this technology. So in summary, also the ICO topic is not dead. The fact is that there are many ICOs that emerged in 2017 and early 2018 due to the overall market hype. Many don't have a strategy to last, but some work really hard and have a good idea that may succeed on the long run. But will more ICOs continue to fail? Yes, but that doesn't mean that people should stop investing. In fact, the principles of investing are the same as they have always been. Only invest money that you are willing to completely lose and invest wisely. Now, a rise in the amount of ICOs just means that you guys have to do a little bit more research to make the best possible investment decisions.
Alright guys, so we're now here at the end of this video, and I really hope that this video gave you some deeper insights on the cryptocurrency and ICO topic. There will also be a Herosphere beta in June, and you can find all the links to sign up and all the important information down below in the description. So when the beta starts, you will be able to check out the platform and play around with the Hero tokens, so their actual product of the ICO. And I think it's really nice that they're actually releasing the product. This is something which not a lot of ICOs are capable of or actually can do, and yeah, I'm really proud that they're also based in Austria and that they are very, very successful with what they're doing. As always guys, if you invest in the project, do your background checks, think about the team, about the idea, what they're doing. With Herosphere, for instance, I think it's very cool that they focus on some very important and fast-growing industries. One of them is for sure gaming. The other one is cryptos, which is still a thing even though the market is low right now. And another thing is betting on stuff, which is getting more and more popular. Just think about all those CSGO skin betting websites. So this will be a huge thing in the future. So as always, you can find all the links down below in the description. I hope that this video was helpful for you. If you liked it, please like it. If you want to see more, please subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. And as always guys, I'm Steven from TechMagnet, and I'll catch you in the next one. Have a nice day.